In this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart a knot that is super tight. So this is my hammock. I tied a knot in it and now I want to undo it, but it's had 2 years worth of my full weight on it, so it's just not coming apart with any sort of effort. I can't even get any of these individual strands open. So I've got a couple of safety pins here. You don't need these exact ones, just use something that is a bit similar, that is reasonably strong metal. And you want to get your safety pin in there and just follow the line of the knot of the threads in this circumstance. And do be careful not to put your hand this side, because if it goes through, you're going to end up poking it through your thumb. You don't want that. Gosh, this is unbelievably tight on here. In fact, I'm going to change my mind and I'm going to come down here. Might take a little bit of convincing. Is anyone else not sure that I'm going to be able to achieve this based on what you can see so far? Trust me, we can make this work. I want to get as many of these pieces in as possible. Do you know, that'll do for now. I want to get them all in there, but let's just start with capturing the majority. So I need to get it in both sides. So that's one side of the knot, and that's another. We're going to put this second one through here. Oh, I can't tell you just how snug this is. This is definitely the tightest one that I've done so far. Gotta try a different entrance. Let's go in from this side. Okay, you've got somewhere. Oh, I'm gonna push it through so that it's near the end. I'm gonna do the same with this side. And just to start off, all I want to do is just try and get a little bit more movement in the knot. So as you can see at the moment, there's absolutely no movement whatsoever. If I cling onto these two pieces and I just wiggle like this, you start to get just a little bit of movement. See, a little bit more movement than we had before. If you're working with a knot that isn't quite this tight, you might just be able to pull the knot apart at this point. Once you've got the two ends around it, you can just use it as a bit of a lever. But this is definitely going to need a little bit more. I can feel it coming though. Okay. Now you have just a little bit of movement. You may not need to do this if you've got a knot that is just one piece of fabric, whereas I've got many pieces of string going through here, and I want to just loosen some of them because it will start to make it a little bit easier. And I can actually get underneath some of them now because I've loosened it. This is my other tool that I'm using. Anything strong with a pointy end is going to help you out with this. So I would have had no chance of getting this under here had I not have loosened this first. I'll go back to doing a little bit more wiggling now that I've loosened a lot of those pieces. Might even do a circular movement also helps. Just doing it round and round, round and round. That's looking loads better. It's almost there, almost coming. Might even take that bit out now because I'll have a little bit more space with that removed. I'm going to go back in and get under all of these pieces so that I can grip it better. If you recall, I missed out a couple of the threads earlier. Oh, here we go. What a magic moment as it comes through. There we have one removed knot. That was a little bit of effort. That was definitely harder actually than the other 3 knots that I did, but I wouldn't have stood a chance at doing that with just the strength of my fingertips, so definitely worth using some sort of tool to help you out with this. I hope that helps with whatever knot you're trying to get undone, and you have a great rest of the day.